Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It's Arris from China. I work for ZHUZHOU Hongtong Tungsten carbide. ZHUZHOU Hongtong Tungsten carbide company is a professional manufacturer of carbide. Has more than 20 years experience for the manufacturing of many different kinds of carbides, like wide joint die, like cold forging die, and some carbide bore, and buttons, nozzles, plates, rods, and many different kinds of tungsten carbide product. Tungsten carbide is the hardest man-made metal in the world. That's why it's used very widely in almost every industry, every machining industry, every uh, manufacturing industry. I'm taking this chance to introduce our factory, Zhuzhou Hongtong, and to introduce our product. I remember 2 days ago or in last week, uh, I had a live show introduce our product, our major product, tungsten carbide brace tips for the agriculture raw part. Yes, you can Google it and see the live show record to see this kind of product made from Zhuzhou Hongdong. And today, I didn't have special product to introduce. I'm just trying to see how is the live show on the YouTube and how to say because I had several live shows on YouTube already, and every time there are just one or two person. I don't know why, and I'm trying to see if there are more people are watching my show, my live show. Sorry, I answer an email. Okay, I'm back. Our company located in the city of Zhuzhou. You can see from our name. And the city of Zhuzhou is in the middle of China, and almost is the origin of all Chinese tungsten carbide. There is the biggest tungsten carbide company in China, ZCC. It's very big, and because of that reason, there are many private companies, and almost all their engineers and bosses came comes from ZCC. So do we. Yes. All those and some of our engineers come from ZCC and they have lots of experience of the production of tungsten carbide. So it's assure our quality is stable and our price very competitive. If you have any request for tungsten carbide, welcome to talk to us. You can talk to Arris. Yeah, my name is Arris. Arris. Arris, you can talk to Arris right now, or you can log into our website and have a look, and then send email to us to our sales team. Anybody is okay. Today, I don't want to introduce special product. I just want to chat with you and see if there are any questions or any request because I believe that usually clients will know what they want exactly. Uh, for example, last week I introduced the carbide based tips for agriculture, but it seems there are no people are interested in that product. So I'm trying another way. Let my friends, let my clients, let you say what I should say. Yeah, maybe I should say something about the production process of carbide, of tungsten carbide. It's met- metallurgy. Uh, Firstly, uh, we have the tungsten powders made from tungsten mining and cobalt and other minor metals. We get the powders from mining, then we grind the powder to the exact size we want. After we getting the powder, we will press the powder to the shape we want. Uh, After getting the pressed product, sometimes we have to cut it or grind it to the uh, exact shape we want. After we getting the final shape and size, we will sinter it. Yes, in high temperature, about 1000 yes, degree, yes, Celsius. Since the sintering, we finished the carbide product of production of blanks. After getting the blanks, some clients will just use this, and some other clients will need the blanks to be post-handled. For example, um, some clients need the outside diameter grinded to the exact tolerance of plus or minus 0.002 millimeter. Yeah. Or another clients requires length or width to another exact tolerance. And some people need the surface like a mirror, where you have to grind it and polish it. Yes. After that, we will pack it. Yes, the package should be strong and have the security of the transportation. You know, business between countries is not easy, especially for the packing. Low packing level will make the business a disaster. For example, uh, about 5 years ago, I have a client from US. They require some carbide plate. At that time, our uh, warehouse staffs are not so professional for the packing. Uh, We put the carbide plate into the corrugated box, paper box. Without pack is very tightly inside. When my client received the plate, it's broken. Then he asked me what's happened and how to solve it. I I have nothing to say and just answered, I will produce it for you. That's made the business no profits and even have to pay something. Yes. So after that, we require our warehouse staff to pay special attention for all the product exporting to the other countries. Yes. Uh, Later we will package first in about mm, two books. Firstly, we pack it in a small box. Later, we will put the small box into a bigger paper box and make sure it cannot move inside. After that, almost all of our shipment to our client are safe and very few orders have problem for the transportation. Yes, that's just the procedure of the production and the business procedures. Yes. Hello. Do you have any questions about us or about carbide? You can tell me any product you want to know or you want to talk with me. Maybe you have some good idea about the uh, packing or about the production or about the post handling. No matter what you want to talk with me, I really appreciate if you type anything on the screen or maybe on your mobile. We can talk, you know, we can discuss. Usually discussing will enlarge our understanding about each other. It's a learning process. I like it. So don't hesitate, my friends. Uh, After introducing the production process of carbide, ne- afterwards Afterwards, I will talk about something about the application. Yes, some people may ask why use the carbide. It's expensive. Yes, it's expensive, more expensive than other metals like stainless steel and iron and some other metals. However, many people prefer to use carbide because hardness. Yes, hardness is very very important for the tungsten carbide. The harder the metal is, the better wear resistance it has. Yeah, yeah. Some people say uh, you cannot just judge the carbide by the hardness. Yes, that's right. That's why we have to consider whether it's used your application. Not only depends on the hardness, but also depends on other parameters like strength and some like density. Some people need very heavy metal, yes, and some other people just needs very hard carbide. Then we will use material grade like YG6X, yes, YG10X, yes. And some people, use this when there's some in packing, yes. Then we need a better strength. The TRS should be higher. Then we will choose mm, higher binder content material grade like YG15, YG20, and YG25 also. Monkey, monkey. Oh, catch cold yesterday. Had some echo, and it's very hot. It's summer in China now, so I I just got catch cold. Sorry. Oh, only 1 or 2% here. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. How to inject more people to come into my room to talk with me? I have to learn something and I have to work harder. Previously, I did some live show on Alibaba. Yes. Uh, it also not many people, but in China, there's a very popular live app, uh, TikTok. Yes, it's very popular all over the world. During the football game of the European UEFA, yes, 2020. There, there, are, there are lots of advertisements of TikTok. Many people are sharing videos and live shows there, and it's very popular in China now. It creates many, many uh, famous people like movie star. Yes, and I'm doing the business of overseas sales, so I'm trying to do the live show here in YouTube. Mhm. Yeah, I'm learning. I'm trying to do it. Hope I can do it well. Hello, my friend. Do you have any questions about constant carbide? Oh yeah, I have another show tomorrow. Tomorrow I will introduce another major product from ZHUZHOU HONGTONG. Yes, that's our major product, tungsten carbide ball and tungsten carbide seat for the application of the gas lift valve in the oil field and some gas industry, and for the barrel, yeah, and for mm, let me check, for many different applications. Some I remember one of my client uses it for the medical, yes, medical tools and machines, and some use for the grinding, yes, like the um, HPGR, yes, for grinding soil mining, yes. I hope yesterday more people can join my show, join my live show. I hope tomorrow more people will talk to Arris. Arris really want to chat with you. We can talk about something about carbide. Of course, if you don't want to talk about carbide and if you want to talk about other things, I'm also happy to talk with you. I'm not sure whether I can answer your questions, but I will try my best. Sometimes, uh, maybe I will give you an excellent solution or a very good answer. Okay, it's late today, and I'm going to check some email now. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.